Before I started using BibEasy Bibs, I'd always have to use a muslin or tissue to put under her clothes to catch any dribble. But BibEasy have these flaps that you can tuck into her t-shirt. Keeps her nice and dry because they're very absorbent.
When I do feed him, it keeps all his clothes dry and clean, and I don't have to keep changing it.
I love these bibs due to their design. They have a built-in flap here which you tuck into the baby's clothes. My son always dribbles and it protects his chest from getting wet. And they also look really cute, plus it's personalised.
I also like the colours that it comes in and the brightness of the bib.
Because they're 100% cotton, they're nice and soft and they're comfortable for baby, so he can wear them all day long without any fuss.
And so that's why I would recommend this bib from 0 up to toddler.